Yo, we are back. It's so cold, right? Yo, what's up guys, this is Chris and you're watching Creations. So we are back with another session of creative design, and for this time we decided a theme of Christmas. Obviously it's Christmas, right? So the creators parameter was decided on Instagram, and the parameters were creator type, appearance, and type of genre. So the genre was between horror and cyberpunk. Appearance of a creator should be like Wendigo or werewolf, and creator type, like we are looking at Santa from he is an old man with the fat appearance, So I decided what to draw on this session, like normal Santa Claus with having some parameters that was decided, or should I work on something else like a badass word with a good biceps or something like that, So that's why I choose this parameter. And other details like a creator should have a tattoo or scars. But by mistake I deleted the result, I wish I could show you up what was the percentile of the winners, but I couldn't really show you up. But I remember the result. So I have to draw horror genre. Appearance should be werewolf, and creator should be badass as I expected that you guys will select it. And other details like tattoo or scars, it was a clash between them, but I decided where to draw one when you can draw both, with the creator having a tattoo and the scars. So it's this time I'm really having a good feeling that this is going to be a really cool thing to watch out. So make sure you stick to the video till the end, and I should go and start. design, and I can watch it. Huh. So this is my final result of credit design. A werewolf with scars and tattoo on his hand. I thought that I'll draw a credit design of werewolf, like Santa's turning into werewolf, but then I thought it will like look so cliche. So I decided to draw a separate werewolf that eaten up Santa. You can look at the hands of Santa. It's like so poor and so heartless thing to draw. But yeah, this all came out really well. That I really expected this. But yeah. So let me know what you think about it. That's it for today. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends. If you want to see the creativity and more creations like this, you should follow the channel, subscribe to the channel, follow the link in description, follow me on Instagram. And if you want to draw some DIYs on Christmas, like I drew this, if you can look at maybe like this. So you can check out my videos. I uploaded this video last Sunday. Go check it. So that's it for today and Merry Christmas.